This little guy fell out of the sky. Probably doesn't have that long to live. Let's see if he'll go in my hand. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. They're harmless.